Hey everybody, Jamey Jordan here with Mittler Brothers Machine and Tool. Today I want to talk to you about 3 essential rolls everyone should have in their collection. The first roll I want to show you is a 1/2" steel bead. Now this die is going to be great for strengthening up panels and give you a more traditional look. It also is really good for running long straight lines. So when you're running these beads, you really want to make sure that you have a nice clean stop and start. It's important to try to stay directly on the line so you can make sure these stay nice and straight. The next roll I want to talk about is the 1/4" steel step roll. Now this is going to be one of the more versatile rolls in the collection, and it's going to allow you to be able to lift and lower beads into your panel. When using a step roll, one of the most important things is knowing which side's going to go down and which side's going to go up. That takes a little bit of practice, but the more you do it, the better you'll get. The last roll I want to show you is the spoiler roll. Now this die is going to be able to give you a really nice radius on the edge of any panel. When using the spoiler roll, you really want to make sure you take the time to run it in multiple passes. That way you get a nice even radius. So as you can see from our panel, whether you're looking to add some beads, steps, or even a little bit of flair to your panel, we got you covered at MittlerBrothers.com.